Good morning, everybody. Leo Jr. over here at Gem Young, coming at you first thing on Monday morning. Hope you all had a great weekend. I wanted to make this video for you all about your financial plan and insurance. Most of you, if you're like me, you're in your 30s, late 20s, even your 40s, and you've got your financial plan rolling, but you're worth a little more now. Here's how your insurance plays into your financial plan and why you should care and why it actually could determine your success or failure financially. So with any good financial plan, you have your goals and your risk tolerance and all the things that I'm not going to talk about. That's what my brother and my father are for. How do you protect that plan once you start to build it? There's 4 key areas of insurance you really ought to pay attention to. Your life insurance, your property insurance, your liability insurance, and your long-term care medical insurance. / medical insurance. So you want to make sure you have the right amount of liability insurance because think you get sued. That's what liability insurance is designed for. You have a horrible claim and it's a catastrophe and the courts and the attorneys are coming after you. If you don't have the right amount of liability insurance, that comes out of your net worth and that comes out of your assets and the investments that you've worked so hard to grow. Don't let that happen. As you grow and as your investments grow, increase your liability insurance to account for that. Property insurance is the easy one to conceptualize. Your home, your rentals, your vacation home, your business, if those are wiped out because of a catastrophe, let's call it a fire, you have to pay to repair it somehow. The insurance is the best and most cost-effective way to make sure that if those are destroyed, you can repair them or rebuild them so that you don't have to pull from your investments again or your net worth to repair that. Life insurance is another one, and it's a cornerstone of any good financial plan is to have the right amount of life insurance. The reason is, if you die, or if you're like me and you're 30, or when you're married and you have a wife and kids, or a husband and kids, or whatever your situation looks like, life insurance can help you live the lifestyle you were living before so you don't have to take and pull out of your plan to live or to function. You can pay off debts with life insurance. You can even fund an investment with life insurance. That way your spouse or somebody that you leave behind, unfortunately, doesn't have to worry about it. Long-term care is the last component to this, and this is for my clients that are older, in their late 40s, 50s, and 60s, that have to start accounting for how they're going to pay for a nursing home. Long-term care insurance is a great way to make sure that you don't liquidate or have to get rid of everything that you've worked so hard to build just to pay for that nursing home, and it takes a tremendous amount of stress off your dependents. This can get a lot more complicated, and these are just 4 topics, so I hope this was helpful to all of you. Thanks for watching. Have a great week.